the latest news broadcasting channel, KMM, their video was saying, everybody, get your VRs and get Gorilla Tag to help us join the war. But their video was so popular that they reached a whopping 1 billion subscribers. And now Gorilla Tag is so popular, it has over 17 billion, quintillion, trillion players online. And every single VR ever made is now owned by somebody. There's no more VRs, so if you're seeing this video and you don't have a VR, sorry. But this is a message to KMM. Please stop over flooding Gorilla Tag with players. And we have a special guest, Ketchup. What were you thinking? This is for you, for overpopulating my city.
No one could beat me.